Hello everyone, welcome to our third episode. Before we start, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who supported the channel, everyone who's been engaging with me, commenting and liking. Please continue to show us some love and teach others how it's done. Without wasting any further ado, you know the drill, let us brush right into it. So my color inspirations for today are red and yellow. I'm going to use the two colors separately and also combine them to create orange like I did in my first video. I'm also going to experiment with black and red to create maroon and experiment with purple and yellow to create peach. With the rest of the colors, which is green and brown, I'll just see how I implement those into the painting. And today's painting is a boho painting. So if you don't know what that is, stay tuned and learn something. Just to school you a bit, boho painting refers to colorful and bold patterns that create a vibrant artwork that can bring inspiration and character to any room, and that's exactly what we're making today. As you can see, I was mixing my colors to create the combinations that I was talking about earlier on. I was sketching lines to create borders for the different colors. Pay attention to how I switch hands when I get to certain parts of the painting. This actually helps me to paint according to the borders. I don't know why, but my left hand actually does a better job than the right hand when it comes to painting very carefully. I wish I made the inside of the arc yellow instead of red because the red is a bit too close to the orange, but it doesn't matter, just see how I work around that. first part of the painting was extremely difficult. At some point it looked like I was painting a snake, so I just kept on extending and extending until I was satisfied with the shape. It was no specific shape, that's why it was so awkward. But then at the end I got it right because I don't give up. It was my first time attempting a branch of this kind. It was not so bad actually. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it was, and I was happy with the results. I continued adding random shapes. I was trying to make the green a bigger circle, but I was failing dismally, so I just ended up playing around with the brush. And don't ask me what shape that is. I don't know. It's just a combination, a close combination of circles. That's what it is. Now that toothpick technique, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call an artist's touch. Let me tell you how exactly I came about that. I was actually trying to wipe off the paint from the toothpick I used to mix the paint in the beginning of the video. And as I was wiping it off on the page, I realized that it actually makes something that looks a little bit nice. So I decided to incorporate that on the actual canvas, and I actually like it. How privileged are you to experience my first ever boho painting? So one day when I become a famous artist, you get to tell them that you were here and you experienced my first ever boho painting. Thank you for enjoying this session with me. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Nonetheless, it's a wrap from me, and stuff. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Till we meet again, toodles! Thank you.